All right, so now that we've seen how we can select and manipulate elements in our website on the fly using this great thing called the DOM, then it's time to take it to the next level. We're going to be using all of that knowledge that we learned about the DOM and JavaScript to create our very own dice game. And this is what it'll look like once we're done. So it's a page with a H1 with a title that says refresh me. And then it's got player 1 dice and player 2 dice. And when we refresh our website, then our dice get thrown randomly so that player 1 and player 2 both have their own dice values. And our website will announce a winner depending on whose dice value was higher. So you can see that this will be a really neat website. And you can use this website to settle all your family arguments and any sort of disputes just by logging onto your own website and trying to figure out who won. So it's a really quick and simple website that I want you to create by yourself as a challenge. And this is so that you make all of that knowledge that you picked up in the previous lessons and make it your own by applying it on a real world project. So in the next lesson, you'll find the starting code with the HTML and CSS already written for you. And this is so that you can get started practicing the parts that we learned in this module. Now, if you'd prefer to get extra practice by building the HTML and CSS parts from scratch yourself, then you can. Just simply download the skeleton project and open up dicee.html in order to see it inside the Chrome browser. And based on this appearance, you can write your own HTML and CSS to get it to look the same. And you'll find all of the image assets inside that zip file that you're going to be downloading. So I personally recommend to focus on one new thing at a time. So that's why we provided the skeleton project, so you can focus on what we're learning in this module. But it's completely up to you what you want to do. I'll support you every step of the way. So once you're ready, get started and work on your first website that you're going to build all by yourself. And I'll see you on the other side.